Rearrange the formula to isolate t. Well, here in every formula you'll find the variable t, right? D equals to st, distance equals to speed into time, is so commonly used by you, right? You have to figure out what t is from here. Then we have v equals to u plus at. You have to isolate t from this equation. S equals to ut plus half at square. You have to isolate t from here. That's complicated. I would like you to make a note of these three equations and then try to isolate t, right? And here is my solution. So how to isolate t from these equations? First one, let's get into the first one. D equals to st. We want t. That means we want to get rid of s from this side, right side of the equation. How will I get rid of s? One way is to divide by s on both the sides, right? So what I will do is I will rewrite the equation. Many times I have seen students doing everything on the given equation. Leave the given equation as such. That is my advice to you. Okay? Then rewrite the equation. D equals to st, and then do what you really want to do. You want to divide by s so that you get rid of s from the right side, right? So we do divide by s. When you do so, what happens? Then s will cancel out from here. Cancel out means s divided by s is 1, and 1 times t is t, right? And so you are left with just t there. Therefore t is equals to d over s. Do you see that? So that is how you had to get your answer. So you can write down answer very clearly here, that t equals to d over s, right? So that is what you get. T equals to d over s as your answer. Now next one is b equals to u plus at. Now how will you get t? Okay, let's rewrite our equation first. So the equation is v equals to u plus at, right? So from here, first thing we should do, get rid of u. So we will minus u from both sides. So when you minus u from both sides, what happens? We'll take away u, right? So that means we are trying to do minus u from here, and we are trying to do minus u from here, right? Let me write plus here for in between, right? Plus minus u, okay? So if I do so, then I get at on this side, u minus u 0, right? So I get at equals to, let me write v first, right? It is good practice. V minus u. Is it okay? Now, to get t, I should divide by a, correct? So next step, I will divide by a, both sides. If you do same operation both sides of equality, then equality remains and you get an equivalent equation, correct? Now from here, a and a will cancel out, and so we get t equals to v minus u divided by a, right? V minus u divided by a. And that is how we isolate t from this kind of an equation. So what do we have here? We have at plus something. So first get rid of whatever plus is there. Now a is being multiplied to t. So you do reverse operation, divide by a, correct? So always when we are isolating, we are doing reverse operation. Let's look back again. D equals to st. So we want to get rid of s times t, divide by s. Reverse of times is division. That's what we did, and got rid of s. So we got or isolated t. Here something was added here to the term. We deducted that and then divided by a. How will you do this? This is kind of difficult. S equals to ut plus half at square. So let me show it on the right side of this page. Okay, so let me rewrite this equation and then we will try to solve it. S equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, this requires more skills than we have used in these two.